Taking advantage of AI in programming. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become a powerful ally for developers, transforming how software is written, tested, and deployed. By leveraging AI, programmers can improve speed, accuracy, automation, and productivity while reducing repetitive work. Here's how. 1. AI in coding and development. Code generation and auto-completion. Tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Tab9 use AI to suggest lines of code or even generate entire functions based on natural language prompts. This reduces the time spent on boilerplate coding and helps developers focus on solving core problems. Advantage: faster coding, fewer syntax errors, and support for multiple languages/frameworks. Learning and problem solving. AI-powered assistants can explain algorithms, debug issues, or provide tailored code snippets, acting as an interactive tutor. Advantage: easier onboarding for beginners and faster skill development for experienced developers. 2. Automation with AI. Workflow automation. AI can integrate with DevOps pipelines to automate repetitive tasks like code formatting, dependency updates, or deployment scripts. Advantage: reduces manual effort and ensures consistency across projects. Infrastructure as code, AX. AI helps manage infrastructure provisioning and scaling automatically based on usage patterns. Advantage: saves time and prevents resource mismanagement. 3. And testing and debugging. Automated test case generation. AI can analyze code bases and user behavior to generate unit tests, integration tests, or regression tests automatically. Advantage: more test coverage with less manual writing. Bug detection and root cause analysis. AI-driven static code analysis tools like Decode or Snike AI scan code for vulnerabilities, performance issues, or security flaws before deployment. Advantage: early error detection reduces costs and increases software reliability. Self-healing systems. In production, AI can identify failures and apply automatic fixes or rollbacks. Advantage: less downtime and faster recovery. 4. Time efficiency. Rapid prototyping. With AI-generated code and design suggestions, developers can move quickly from concept to prototype. Advantage: faster validation of ideas and quicker product iterations. Contextual assistance. AI tools provide instant documentation lookups, API references, and best practice advice within the coding environment. Advantage: developers spend less time searching online and more time building. 5. Accuracy and quality. Consistent code standards. AI-powered linters and formatters enforce coding style and standards across teams. Advantage: clean, maintainable, and uniform code. Predictive analysis. AI models can analyze historical data to predict potential bottlenecks, performance issues, or risks in software projects. Advantage: better decision-making and fewer last-minute surprises. 6. Collaboration and knowledge sharing. Intelligent documentation. AI can auto-generate documentation,